Silly Soul Tribe ventures to Sabino Canyon, where we find this beautiful water spot to splash and play and check out some amazing critters.
One of those granite toads.
Look at it. Jack's got a little baby trout. Whoa.
Oh, look at the little fishies. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and put the babies down and let's go try to catch a different one. You petting the fishy?
Okay, put him back in the water.
Yeah, trouts.
Maple man, look at.
Oh, dude, I actually caught a snake.
What?
Look, guys, I caught a garter snake.
Nice, look at that. You got yourself a snake.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, back up.
Oh, that is so cool.
Whoa.
Jack.
Jack, look.
Hold the snake. Look at the snake.
Jackson.
Let's go try and catch you some more fish.
Got a garter snake.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We appreciate you making it this far on the journey with us. Continue your adventure here and remember to stay silly.